even forgot to record it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rabiah, your life coach, entrepreneur, as well as single mom. Before I go ahead, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell at the bottom if you'd like to get a note for when I do release my content. So what you guys can expect of today's video is branding, logoing, some do's and don'ts, and then how I started off the company. Stay tuned. So I'd like to explain the logo and the colors and the message in the logo. So I'm going to pop it up for you so you guys can have a look. In the word give, there is a caterpillar which designates the toddlers. And then my daughter's a toddler. And then in the word yourself, there is a cocoon which designates teenagers, and in that adolescent category, which I have, which is a 13-year-old teenager. And then last but not least, the butterfly, which is in time, right at the end, symbolizes myself, which is an adult. And basically it's all about the transformation and the going through the different types of evolving and things that take place with us. So my brand is built around myself and my goals. The intention or the direction where it's going into is to know that it will be okay to deal with pain, as bad as it is, within the given time that it arises. So I've come across so many women, or most of our women, we don't give ourselves the time that we need in order to deal with pain. We go through huge tragedies, divorces, we go through losing parents, we go through sibling rivalry, we go through heartache, we go through even giving birth. These things are all different types of traumas, and we don't deal with them at the given time because we were taught to just survive, move on, and that is what has been happening. And then one day it bottles up and it comes out, and we are inundated as crazy. So to my fellow sisters, women, ladies, male folk even, any gender for that instance, it is time that we start taking care of ourselves. We are out here taking care of other people when it is myself, firstly, let me say that to myself, when it is us that needs to take care of. We're always the ones running for other people. We're always the ones there for them when they need us. And then the time and the roller coaster flips and you always end up being alone. Now, the being alone is not that bad. It's not the bad part. It's the fact that we don't even feel that we have the due of giving ourselves that peace of mind. I'm going to do something with you quickly, and I know it's going to sound dumb, but just take a look at this. This is Google's explanation for time. Let me give it to you and pop it up. So like you can see, according to Google, it is second on the minute, on the hour, on the day, on the month, which leads to a year. I can tell you so many things that has passed me by, and it's been years that I said I was going to do it, or years that I wanted to make a change, or years that I cannot not get back. I sit with pain and trauma of childhood because we didn't deal with it. So the brand is all about giving yourself that due respect and giving yourself that time to deal with what is necessary in order for you to be the best version of yourself. So for me, it started with last year being one of the worst years I've ever had, although it was one of the best years as well. So it flipped due to the fact that I then took the time and I sat with the pain and I dealt with it. I'm not going to say I'm over all the pain, but what I am going to say is that I'm on my road to where I need to be. And am I happy? I am so happy. Anyways, we're not here for that. The concentration is to basically be around inner and outer beauty. So my life coaching will concentrate on the inner, and then the fashion line will concentrate on the outer. My girls and I are very proud of this project. We're trying to concentrate mostly on modest wear, because I can see that, with the teenagers, there is like a little gap there that we can dress them, but like we are dressing them like very oldish because there's nothing available. So I'm going to be inculcating some more designs and more things that will make it easier for them in that age group. And then for the little ones, I'm always going shopping for, and then there's always like cartoon characters on their clothing, and it's sleeveless, and my little one doesn't like to wear sleeveless. So now I am having to sew on, sweaters and whatever, whereas now I'm making a range where they will have those items readily available. So it's the three of us. For myself, I'll be doing stylish things that I always wanted to wear, and anything that the brand is about, or anything that the brand is making in any age category, we can make it in all categories. So how the site will run is, on top we will have basically the available materials or the available colors, and you'll have obviously your 4 designs or 3 designs that come out at a time, and then we can make it in any age group for you if you'd like it. Also, number 2, let's get into it, guys. This is now the serious things that I gotta do. I gotta do this. I don't want to switch you off because that was all the fun part, the fun in the games and the yay. Number 2, the industry is hard, guys. The industry is really hard. The competition is rife. The availability of what you're always looking for is not there. People are very selfish with sharing the information with regards to helping you out. And then last but not least, and most importantly, manufacturing your own items if you want to, all good and well, or getting CMT groups, or and CMT groups, man, guys, come on. It's not fair. There's been too much stealing from your people, too much lying to your people, too much pulling in of your people's materials, and like your cotton and your zips and your this and anything to pass by. Charges been overbreached. People have been lying, not sewing correctly. All of those things is things you need to be aware of, guys. If you're going to get a CMT group to do your sewing for you, or dressmaker, I don't know what they do, or multi-manufacturer or whatever, be hella sure they come with references, please, because I can tell you now, I've been through about, say, 9 different types of, I'm not going to say which one, and it's not fair. For me, that's starting from the bottom, single mother, pushing to at least learn anything and everything that I can, just so that I can save that extra buck, so that I can climb and then get my paper as well. It's just not fair. Everyone else gets paid but me, and the goal was to eventually get my own. I just want to ask you guys, do you now know why you don't have work? Because of the fact that, 1, you lie, you steal, you give a huge impression, you trying to inculcate or foretell your fellow supposedly boss or person that's paying you how to run their business and their visionary. Now, I'm a person, I don't mind being taught. I don't mind being told even about the industry, because I'd like to learn and expand more, because everybody's different. But I'm not in school with you. I pay you. So please do your job, and don't put your ideas on me and force it on me. That is where I stand with that. In the industry, you're going to come find anybody is going to want to make a buck of you. So beware of that first. watch your shoulder, because you can't trust no one. That is what I can tell you now. They will pull in your half a meter to a meter or a quarter of your meter of your material, because at the end of the day, it saves them from going to buy it and making an item. Whereas they can help make a 20 rand or 30 rand or 40 rand off from it for nothing that they paid. I value all things big: trust, loyalty, giving all those things. I care too much. I care very quickly for people. I've lost people that I feel so dearly about due to the fact that I had to choose my business in this aspect. My business is of utmost importance. And this takes us into number 3, guys. Number 3. So, the importance of your business and how to actually just like get it functioning and what you got to do in order to just like keep it like foiled up. So, firstly, you gotta have a vision, guys. I mean, come on, like, it doesn't matter what business it is, a vision, a mission, everything. You gotta have those things. The business plan, it's important, guys. It's really, really important that you have that business plan, because otherwise you're gonna have no direction. So you gotta have that business plan so that you know where you're going next, you know what moves you're gonna make next, and you're gonna know what moves to make if that move didn't work out, because it's a strategy that you would have laid on paper and now you're following. So we have the vision, the mission, the getting you there, the business plan. And now you have a business plan, and obviously you're going to worry about the name, and you're going to worry about, colors and your logoing or all of those things. When it comes to logoing, you're going to think about, obviously, social media, and your website, and all of those things. Now, those things are hard if you don't know them already, and to learn them is very hard. But you must be well aware that there are facilities and people available to teach you these things if you have the time. Then there are also people that you can pay to do this if you do not have the time. To be honest, I would pay someone rather to do this, because this is not something I'm interested in. Now, this is very important. Your positioning in the company, you need to establish that very early. So you'll have all your vision, your mission, and then obviously your logo and whatever. Then you'll have your position, and you have basically what they call is like your company instructions, your company Wikipedia, your company encyclopedia for all I care. So it's basically what your company stands for, what your models are, what your what your hopes and your what you're aspiring. All of those things are going to be there, and you're going to continuously go back to that so that you can stick to one sort of matter going forward, one journey, one mission, one statement, and that way things are just more respectful. So yeah, I've given you everything that I could possibly think of that could affect you right now. You need to make sure that when you're doing this, and this is most probably the most and of utmost important that I'm going to tell you through this entire video. So you need to, firstly, keep good to your faith, keep good to your God, pray to your God, and ask the Almighty for what you want. There is no man on this earth that can bless you or give you what you need. So pray for your things first. Pray for it, because it is of utmost importance that you let God know what you want. He wants you to talk to Him. He wants you to have a word with Him and tell Him and check in with Him. If you can do it on a whole day basis, good for you. I do everything now. I ask God for everything. So that is one. And then 2, you got to write it down, guys, because I don't know if you're anything like me. I just forget things. I forget what I even done in the day, I forget that I even paid people, so I write every single thing down now. And it's such a good thing for me, because now I get to have things in structure. Structure is very important. If you don't have a routine, you are not going to fulfill what you put out for yourself. An entrepreneur is always going to try to perfect what they are doing, because that is just who we are. Make dates, times, limits, deadlines for yourself, because it doesn't mean you're the boss. If there isn't an audience out there that's watching you. So fulfill, what you need to in a manually way and in time frames as well. Guys, support your girl. I came out with 4 eat items, and it is obviously my dream and my daughter's dreams. So if you could, I'll hit you guys the links at the bottom for all my different social media platforms, and then as well as you can DM me or you can private message me. I don't need my contact number here, but I'll get that to you if you need it. And then thank you so much for watching. Good. So don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell at the bottom. And anybody that has any sort of advice in the industry for me, if you don't want to share it in the comments below, please do private message me. I am ready to learn and hunger and eager to take on anything for a future reference. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for coming by. Shukr to the Almighty for where I am. I'm just so grateful. Peace and blessings. Bye, ciao. Bye.